when we have an objective, a goal, in many cases, you get to an obstacle and you're like, oh, you get all discouraged. Well, I want to tell you how those obstacles are actually the way. There's a book by Ryan Holiday that's called The Obstacle is the Way that talks about this stuff. That is, how boring would life be if there were no obstacles? If you just had an objective and everything was just so easy going. You may think, oh, well, that's how I want it. I don't want any obstacles. I want everything to go my way. And sure, that is true in some cases, but that wouldn't let you really appreciate what actually winning or what actually achieving that goal would be like, because, well, it was too easy. There were no obstacles, you know? So what I'd like for you to think about is anytime that you have an objective up there, whatever it is, far away, long-term goal, and you get to an obstacle, if you let that obstacle stop you, that is only, as Zig Ziglar said, is obstacles are only the things that you see when you take your eyes off your goal. If your focus is always on getting to that goal, to that objective, then the obstacle just seems like a simple stepping stone to get there. And without the obstacle, you wouldn't really feel the worth of what it is that you are getting.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.